हाउस टू होम बाय वंदना जैन। आई एम इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर। आज हम एस्टेक दिल्ली में एक टूर करेंगे जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि आने वाले साल के अंदर क्या ट्रेंड्स हैं, क्या लॉन्चेस हैं, या किस तरीके से आप नए मटेरियल्स या नए एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं और कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो इस बारी डिज़ाइनर्स नए अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के अंदर लगा सकते हैं। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। हाउस टू होम बाय वंदना जैन। थैंक यू। हाय फ्रेंड्स, सो वी आर हियर एट दी एस्टेक एग्जीबिशन और आज हमने जो सबसे पहले अपना स्टॉल एक्सप्लोर करा है वो है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टॉल, जिसके बारे में आप जब अभी देखेंगे वीडियो लास्ट तक तो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिलेंगी। इस सुपर स्टॉल के अंदर हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे डोर्स, फ्लोरिंग, शटर्स और CNC वर्क, सीलिंग पैनल्स या एक्सटीरियर ग्रेड पैनलिंग, इसके बारे में बात करनी है जो बिल्कुल ही ग्रीन मटेरियल से बने हुए हैं। देखने में वो वुड के हैं बट इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ बाइजन बोर्ड। सो लेट्स चेक आउट कि एग्जैक्टली ये स्टॉल क्या कह रहा है।
NCL door newly launched in the market. We have since 3 years in this market. Building of this under the brand name NCL door. One view of getting this doors is like eco-friendly doors. What we get is fire resistant, termite resistant, and water resistant.
These doors are totally made up of the cement and the wood particles.
Yes, cement and wood particle is a bison board. We are in the market since 40 years with that board. So we are using that board for manufacturing of this doors. The technology is from Europe. And you can see the doors what we are having here.
It's quite a large size of the door.
We can go up to 10 feet. This is a 9 feet door. The maximum what we can go is up to 10 feet. So we also have 1 feet doors.
So this is a flush door, but we can actually utilize it for the exterior purposes also.
This come under the category of flush doors. This is a different kind of door. You can use it for exterior, internal, and everything. For every purpose.
Because the front and the back skin is made up of that
UPVC foil. There's a foil which is laminated on the internal structure. The internal structure we can have a look on that. Internal structure will be similar for all the doors. The top layer will be different.
The top layer is bison.
Top layer is like UPVC foil. The internal structure is made up of bison.
Perfect. So can we take a look at the section of the door?
Yeah,
please?
we can have a look at that.
Okay, so here friends, this is the section where we can actually see that this has a layering of the cement and the wood particle board, and it has some plywood also and the paper inside the board section. But you see that the front skin of it is made up of the sheet that these people are manufacturing, and this is totally termite resistant and fire resistant. So Mr. Ravi will take over and tell us more.
So this is the internal structure of the shutter. You can see the top and bottom layers. This is called the skins of shutter, which are made up of bison. Bison is a cement bonded particle. 28% of wood and 60% of cement. So we are going eco-friendly with this. We are not using complete wood, it's a cement wood.
So we can all see that this particular structure is very green in nature because wood is one extinct resource, but this particular thing is having cement also, which is combined with wooden particles.
Yes.
So if you see this out, this is not totally wood, and this makes it more water resistant, termite resistant, and energy efficient.
Fire resistant also.
Fire resistant also. Very
Because
nice.
cement can't be burned.
Got it.
So this comes with the cross section of the frame. The frame, what you call chowkot. This is the frame section. So this is the architrave of the frame.
Okay.
So this all three parts combined make a Dura door or like NCL door.
Okay.
That's an NCL door. This all three parts make NCL door.
Okay. So we utilize it like this way.
No, this comes to the wall in this way. If this is your wall, this comes this in this way, and you put the frame architrave into this group to cover
Okay.
this.
So it gets interlocked down
Yes.
here. Got
We
it.
are not screwing it to the wall anyway. We are fixing it with foam.
So it has
The
an interlocking.
Interlocking. No, we are fixing this doors to the wall with foam. We are not screwing it to the wall.
Oh, great.
We are using a foam.
Either onto the floor.
There we will stick it to the floor, to the wall from the three sides.
Oh, great.
It will fix to the wall.
Okay, so
with
we
the
do
foam.
get any finishes on the door.
Yes, we have different colors.
different profiles and designs.
It's called trend line.
This is the
Trend line model.
trend line model.
This is the trend line. There's one other door, the black one. This is called Patara with glass.
Okay, so what is this finish on the door?
This is like PVC foil. This is foil laminated on the structure what I have shown you.
Oh, great.
This will be laminated. This is one kind of door. This is the double door what we have. The
Okay,
two
so
doors.
NCL provide the whole thing.
It's a one-stop door solution.
One-stop door
Door
solution.
solution. You can get in from installation to the hardware, manufacturing, delivery, and everything.
So only the transport is the charge that the
Yes.
customer has to
And
pay.
the extra hardware, if you wish to put on our door, that has to be paid for.
Costing range क्या रहती है?
Costing 17,000 to 25,000 will be the range for a single shutter, and above 25,000 to 35,000 for a double shutter and a fire-rated door. We also have a fire-rated door, which ranges from 1 hour to 2 hours. So you can use it for main doors or staircase doors. We have a fire-rated door. I can also show you that fire-rated door.
Please, please.
Fire-rated door. The normal shutter thickness, you can see, the normal shutter thickness will be 42 mm for a normal shutter, but for the fire-rated door it will be 55 mm. This will be the thickness of this fire-rated shutter. The infill material will be bison again, and a Sanopon which is complete fire resistant.
Wonderful. Okay. And this is the edge bending or this is also bison?
This is edge banding. It's the same like PVC layer. It comes with different thickness. This can be banded on 4 sides of the shutter to make it look good. You can put any other profiles on the shutter that you see. These are the different designs what we have.
Okay. We can have variety of the finishes over the
If we
door.
have a good quantity of doors to order, we can also provide you some color of what you want.
Okay, I'm quite curious to know about this flooring because it says that it is a bison.
Yeah, bison flooring is like, I'll show you the bison product first.
Sure, sure.
Then we can show you.
Let's see.
Bison sample. Sample? Yeah.
Okay, so you can all see that the bison CNC design cut work partition divider is all out here, and it has a very interesting and a very nice and a clean design coming out from the bison. So in case if your home has a place where you want to create a partition but you don't want an MDF or a plywood, so bison is the ultimate choice and you can get it painted in your own design.
This is the bison plank.
Okay.
So it comes from 44 mm thickness to 40 mm thickness.
Okay.
Different thicknesses. So you can use it in variety of applications, the exterior as well as interior. These are exterior applications, also interior applications. You can make CNC cuttings on this, and you can also make cabinets and kitchen cabinets with the bison.
So bison is now getting into furniture and carpentry also.
You can use it in any way.
Wonderful. So this cupboard, the wardrobe is also made up of the bison.
It's completely made up of bison.
So this solution, this record glass is also one thing that you're providing.
Basically,
He will continue.
Sure,
the
sure.
carcass portion is with bison plank.
Okay.
Shutter is of the
Okay. So this pre-laminated thing is provided by your company.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. And this has the same screw work.
Yeah,
The main
basically we have
female.
got our associates of Pan India. Here in Delhi also have got associates just like modular manufacturers. So the manufacturer modular furniture on behalf of Lance.
Okay. And what about this whole thing? This drawer. This
Yeah,
is
this
also
all are a modular form.
wonderful.
Totally.
So we can have a wardrobe of this sort in the area where we have a termite issue, and we generally see it in the plywood, even if it is a graded plywood. But with the bison, I think this is going to go away.
Yes.
Okay,
This
great.
is the, you can say, only termite proof furniture.
Furniture
Bison is
material.
giving, yeah.
Yes, that's interesting.
Yeah.
That's
The same way the kitchen is there.
wonderful. Okay, so in the kitchen also
You
the
can see
drawers.
this drawer is also the base is of bison color.
Wonderful. And we can get the fittings, modular fittings around
Modular
it.
putting surface. Same way that overhead also.
Does it take the strength of the hinge because opening and
Exactly.
closing, the lift up also
Yes.
is going really fast. Okay, double lift up. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Interesting. And this finish also your company provides this thing?
Yes, yes. Overall, we can design as per your requirement.
Great, interesting. So you can all see that not only that Bison is leading them in paneling, but you can actually get it done in the kitchen, and especially the carcass of it, base cabinet and the overhead cabinet with the wardrobes, bedrooms. I think tables are also easily made up out of
Yeah, now
this
fixed furniture, you can go
fixed furniture. So
not a
commercial
movable
item
furniture.
it is actually, but it is going into the residential area.
Nowadays, beds are being fixed. Now you see, most of the flats, when you are taking any flats, you're doing all the interior work along with that.
And you know what, all of you all, that because this is something that is made up of wood plus cement, so it is also considered as a green material.
100% green.
100% green material, which is actually the need of the time. So we can proceed to the section, the other section.
Now the concept is called LGSF, light base steel frame.
Okay.
Nowadays, you know, as per Mr. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, he decided to have at least 10% of buildings, 10% of the total buildings means residential buildings, will be having this concept instead of concrete,
In place of the wall.
in place of the wall.
Okay.
Even the complete building is always steel, and the wall will be a bison panel.
Bison panels infused with this last one.
Glass.
And this backing.
Backing is basically vapor well. It resists the heat and all those things. There are 2 layers of mixer boards, and other side also 2 layers of boards.
So this actually reduces the load on the building itself, the whole load. And costing wise, how efficient
Costing
is
is approx, you can say, if you compare to the brickwork, it is almost 20% higher than that.
higher than that, but the
But at the same
longevity
time, longevity is high.
high.
Okay.
And care and maintenance is less.
Care maintenance is less. Okay. It is a bit dry construction, no wet construction.
So dust free.
Dust free construction.
Okay. Okay. If at all we talk about the finish of it,
Yeah.
so we don't require a cement plaster.
Not required
So
at
उससे
all.
वो heat कभी generate नहीं होगा building के अंदर.
वो सब नहीं होता। प्लस आपको क्या ओवरऑल जैसे आपने बोला वेट रिड्यूस हो जाता है, फास्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन वेरी फास्ट। इफ यू आर मेकिंग वन बिल्डिंग of 500 square feet in 6 months, you can have in 2 months one.
That's very interesting. Save labor and time and energy.
Yeah.
So what are these products? This is for exteriors. Now we're talking about the exterior applications. This is the bison, normal bison.
We can give any kind of wood on this. We can put basically this is a 100% replacement of ACP, aluminum composite panel. Because aluminum composite panel is basically because of component of PVC, it is a fire hazard.
It is, and it requires a framework
The
also.
framework is also required framework.
It's not getting stuck to the wall directly.
No.
Okay.
It's required frame. You have to fix this with the screws.
नहीं, but then there will not be any gap with the base material and the bison panel, ना? It will not have that gap. जो ACP में होता है.
ना रहेगा।
रहेगा, कितना रहता है इसके बीच में?
और रहेगा जैसे as per requirement आपका 50 mm का मिनिमम का है।
Okay, okay.
फ्रेम का जो गैप है वो गैप है।
Okay, तो ये भी स्क्रू फ्रेम पे ही डलेगा.
हाँ, फ्रेम डलेगा, इसके बाद बोर्ड डलेगा, फिर उसको कोटिंग कर सकते
ये
हैं।
ACP से कितना कम रहता है इसका प्राइस?
प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 30%।
कम रहता है. So overall project cost matter करेगी.
कॉस्ट मैटर करता है, लाइफ उससे बेटर है। इफ इस आप जैसे जितना भी बिल्डिंग्स आप देखते हैं दिल्ली में या गाँव, तो मोस्टली क्या होता है आफ्टर 5 to 6 years आपका कलर फेड हो जाता है ACP में।
Exactly.
बहुत डर्टी दिखता है।
इसके पैनल साइज की क्या?
पैनल साइज जैसे 8 feet by 4 feet में आता है, बट एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट वी डिजाइन।
और प्राइस रेंज क्या रहती है पैनल की?
प्राइस इस पैनल का डिपेंड कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 35 rupees, it goes up to 70, 75.
Per square foot. Perfect.
Basic.
I like this also. Is this also bison? Great. So this is the main one and this is the laminated one. Okay, all of them are laminated, and you can actually see that Bison has come up with the PVC laminated panels, which is going on the same framework. So window fibers. इसका क्या price range रहता है costing?
इसका प्राइस रेंज जैसे हम सीलिंग सिस्टम की बात करेंगे तो concept will also up to 25 rupees.
per square. I am liking that also. Those are some different textures that we see here. What are these?
This is also same product.
Okay. This is an exterior cladding.
Exterior cladding again, okay, with a different kind of designs we can do.
Okay. Okay, so this is totally customized and this is a new texture, Bison. And this is also by adhesive or it is on the frame?
This is also a fixed
Fixed by the screws. Perfect. इसका क्या रेंज रहता है? इसका इस पैनलिंग का क्या रेंज रहेगा?
मैम रेंज तो जो है प्राइस वाइज मैम प्राइस तो जो है हमारा है यहाँ पर मोहित टैली में प्राइस क्या है?
दिल्ली में कितने एमएम का इसका
6 mm क्या हो गया? चलो ठीक हो गया। इसमें थिकनेस आपका कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 8 mm और एक्सटर्नली में मेनली फॉर एक्सटर्नल यूजेस वी गिव ऑलमोस्ट 12 मिनिमम इट्स 12 mm फॉर एक्सटर्नल।
मतलब बाइजन का एक्सटीरियर पैनलिंग में आपने इस बारी क्रिएटिव डेमोस दिए हैं एंड इसमें कस्टमाइज डिजाइन भी हो सकते हैं और ये सारे 12 mm में रहते हैं। इसका बेसिक आपने स्क्वायर फुट कितना
8 भी रहता है,
8 भी रहता है डिपेंडिंग ऑन द साइज। ओके, और स्क्वायर फुटेज कितना बताया आपने?
पर स्क्वायर फीट जैसे पेंटेड वन इट मे बी गो अप यू कैन से 135 140
Okay, with the installation.
With the installation.
With installation. Very interesting. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, hi friends. So we are here at Intech stall, जहाँ पर हमने देखा कि कुछ नए GVT के जो टाइल्स आए हैं वॉल के लिए भी फ्लोर के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे अमेजिंग कलेक्शंस है। यू कैन हैव अ लुक। इधर इतना इंटरेस्टिंग एक डिज़ाइन इफेक्ट दिया हुआ है जो इटालियन मार्बल जैसा लगता है और फ्लोरिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट भी सेम रखा हुआ है। पैनल्स सेम साइज़ के हैं इनके। उसके बारे में जो ज़्यादा डिटेल्स हैं टेक्निकल वो सर बताएंगे। सर प्लीज़ टेल अस मोर अबाउट द कलेक्शन।
ये अपना एक्चुअली GVT है, ग्लेज विट्रीफाइड टाइल्स है। इसके ऊपर अपना मैट फिनिश रहता है और पॉलिशिंग करते हैं, ग्लोसी फिनिश रहता है, हाई ग्लोसी फिनिश रहता है। मटेरियल बेस्ट यूज़ होता है इसमें।
तो ये वाला हमारा हाई ग्लॉस है,
ये हाई ग्लोस,
ये टोटल हाई ग्लॉस है।
हाई ग्लोस।
और इसका अगर हम वो देखते हैं स्लैब का साइज तो ये 4 फीट बाय 2 फीट का रहता है एंड 9 mm रहता है ये वॉल का भी और फ्लोरिंग का भी। सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट टाइल्स भी हैं और इसी का ही आपका स्कर्टिंग बन जाता है। सो यू कैन ऑलवेज सी कि ये जो लुक है इसका वो बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव और बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेड सा आ रहा है। तो इसमें क्या कॉस्टिंग क्या रहती है टाइल्स की?
इसका अप्रोक्स 45 रुपीज़ से स्टार्टअप है, फिर अलग अलग रहता है जैसे कार्विंग।
तो 45 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट?
यस, वो जो है ग्लोसी का 45
पर स्क्वायर फीट रहता है। और अगर हम इसके अंदर और फिनिशेस की बात करें आपके पास और इसके वो हैं एप्लीकेशन यहाँ
कार्विंग इफेक्ट्स है जो मैंने आपको दिखाया यहाँ पर।
ओके,
ये जो है कार्विंग इफेक्ट्स है,
ओह
नीचे जो लगाया हुआ है।
इसमें थोड़ा सा शाइन है, ये क्या चीज़ है?
वही कार्विंग इफेक्ट्स दिया हुआ है।
very
एक्चुअली में मैट
interesting.
फिनिश रहता है, उसके ऊपर कार्विंग
इसमें कुछ
इफेक्ट्स
सिल्वर सिल्वर सा टेक्सचर है।
Yes.
सो वी कैन ऑलवेज सी कि जो फ्लोरिंग है बाथरूम की उसके अंदर ये जो डिज़ाइन होता है जनरली फ्लैट होता है, बट इनकी कंपनी ये थोड़ा सा टेक्सचर और थोड़ा ग्लिटर और शाइन के साथ बना रही है। इसकी केयर और मेंटेनेंस डिफरेंट रहती है जो ग्लॉसी टाइल्स होती है उससे या सेम है? सेम रहती है। तो बाथरूम्स के लिए और किचन्स के लिए सही रहती है। परफेक्ट। और ये वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ये क्या है?
हाई ग्लोसी,
ये भी हाई ग्लॉसी है। इसमें जो
मार्बल दिया हुआ है।
ओके, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज सी कि ये जो पर्टिकुलर आपका रिवेरिया रॉयल इनका स्लैब है, इसके अंदर जो एप्लीकेशन है वो बाथरूम के लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहता है। जनरली जो हमारा बाथरूम है, अगर उसका साइज अच्छा है तो इतना डार्क कलर भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं, और उसके साथ फ्लोरिंग को हम थोड़ा लाइट कलर में भी डाल सकते हैं, राइट? वी कैन सी द मैट वन ऑल्सो हियर।
इसमें अलग अलग और कलर रहते हैं, जैसे ग्रे टोन हो गया, बीच टोन हो गया, आइवरी टोन हो गया।
ये वाला आपका मैट में आ रहा है, इसमें आपका एक हाइलाइटर प्लस एक प्लेन है,
हाईलाइटर प्लस
तो ये हम कहाँ पर अप्लाई?
ये एक्सटीरियर वॉल टाइल्स के ऊपर आप लगा सकते हैं। एक्सटीरियर वॉल जो रहता है वहाँ पर भी रहता है। ये लिफ्ट के जैसे बिल्डिंग होता है,
लिफ्ट लॉबी में
लगा
या ड्राइववे की तरफ एंट्री एरिया में,
बाथरूम में लगा सकते हैं।
ओके। अगर पर्टिकुलर हम एक्सटीरियर एप्लीकेशन करते हैं तो इसका कुछ केयर मेंटेनेंस अलग होता है?
नहीं, अलग कुछ नहीं, नॉर्मल
एप्लीकेशन का तरीका वही एडेसिव से ही रहेगा। और इसमें कितना बीच में जो आपका वो रहता है मार्जिन ग्राउंड का, वो कितना रहता है?
वो तो नॉर्मल जैसे स्पेसर हम लगाते हैं।
तो इस स्पेसेस में ही लग जाते हैं, बॉल वाले भी आप। ओके, इधर ये कौन सा?
ये सारा सेम है, डिफरेंट कलर्स दिए गए हैं, ग्राउंड है।
परफेक्ट। वैसे ये सैंडस्टोन का एक इम्पैक्ट दे रहा है तो ये भी टाइल, बट ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग डिज़ाइन है। अगर आप देखें तो इसमें अगर आपको थोड़ा टेक्सचर देना है और आपको एक कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग इफेक्ट देना है टाइल की, ये जो प्लेन एक कलर स्कीम है, तो इसके बीच में एक हाइलाइटर के पैनल लगा सकते हैं सेम साइज़ में, और ये इतना बड़ा एक पैनल क्रिएट कर पाते हैं। अदरवाइज हम इसको कट करके भी अपने साइज़ के हिसाब से यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। William Rage, William Steele, William Fossils.
कौन सी ग्रिल?
We are at Pare stall, and I'm quite glad to see the kind of finishes that we came across. And look at this whole thing out. It looks like as if we are standing inside the cave, or we have a texture of the tree. But this is recreated by some composite panel, and we have the exhibitors with us, so they can tell us more about it.
Okay, so these are stone glass fiber composite panels. These come in the size of 10 feet by 4 feet and 8 feet by 4 feet. They're interior as well as exterior grade, waterproof, fire retardant and termite proof. It's an absolutely all-weather maintenance-free product.
It's very interesting to see that the texture is actually very close to the nature, and you can always see that if you have a theme which is related to nature, or rustic in your mind, and you would want a highlighter of any sort which is very, very natural and tropical by nature, please do go in for this particular panel. Also, what exactly is the thickness of these panels?
So the thickness varies from product to product. This specific thickness is between 10 to 30 mm. I have products that go all the way to 60 mm, 60 of depth.
And how do we do the application?
What you do is you take the panels and you screw it onto the wall. Once it is screwed and the two panels, there is going to be a center joining. We have an additional process where we make the screws as well as the joint between the panels absolutely invisible. So it looks like one structure on a wall.
Very interesting. So there is no gap between the wall and the material
Nothing.
itself. Great. And does the client has to do any more finishing once this whole thing is done?
We'll take care of everything. It's a 7-day process which we'll do, an A to Z solution. You come, you select the panels, we'll do the delivery, we'll do the installation, our team will take care of everything.
So it's what installation
We have
is
teams
required.
trained by Europeans, they'll handle everything.
Wonderful, wonderful. Do you have a base in Delhi itself?
Not now, but in about a month or 2 months' time, we're very positive that we'll have some.
Wonderful, wonderful. So we are very, very sure that this particular material is going to make it big in the market, because look at the variety and the textures that are reincarnated, and it looks very fabulous in the new generation modern styled apartments. We can look at the more variety.
Yeah, please. These are normal houses and
Okay, so you have done this application with the wooden door.
just a blind frame is what they gave us.
Okay, okay.
क्या कह रहे हो? अच्छा हट जाऊँ मैं?
This is for the wall, and this is for the door, and it goes over the ceiling.
Yes.
Wonderful. That ceiling design is very interesting and gothic in nature. Okay, and you can take a closer look out here. It has a molding work in here, and it is little carved, so you can always work over the curvature in this way. And this is very interesting. What is very special about this masonry?
The moss finish that this product has is very realistic.
It's very interesting. So you have a very nice sample out here. So what is exactly the range of this particular texture?
This product is around 1600 rupees per square feet plus tax.
1600 rupees per square feet.
Plus tax.
Plus tax. So this includes the installation.
Installation will be additional.
That will be cost.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is actually very interesting thing to see that this thing looks very realistic in the application, and it looks all the more very contemporary when you apply it in your studios or maybe in the halls or the theaters that you have at home. Very interesting. Do we have any other products to cover up? Let's see some more.
This is like sheets which are coated in the
These are soffit ceiling systems.
Okay.
They are meant for interior use. They'll replicate natural wood when installed. This is a maintenance-free, waterproof. This far surpasses any other technology that you have for ceiling currently in the market in terms of advantages and longevity.
Okay, so if at all I talk about the ceiling and I'm proposing it to the client, how do I have to convince them that this is one product that is over and above the gypsum and the current options that we have for the sides, interior section?
Primarily, one of the things is appearance, longevity. Obviously, a price factor is going to be definitely higher than POP or gypsum board. But if you want a look that's there for 10-15 years, this is the product.
So this has a very cottage product,
Yes.
appeal to it.
Yes.
So we can go in for maybe the living areas or maybe the porches outside, and it is very durable. It is free from care and maintenance that a POP or a gypsum board fall ceiling asks for. What is the thickness of the panel?
1 mm.
1 mm.
It's very lightweight.
Very interesting, and the fixing goes like the same way that we have a framework
Yes,
in
yes.
there. Okay.
You can install it like your typical POP gypsum board.
And it is fast installation,
Yeah,
unlike
yeah.
the POP mess.
Yes. It doesn't create a mess. We finish about 2,000 square feet. With a good team, you can finish it in 3 days.
And we can actually use our light
Your teams.
work.
Your light work. Yes, absolutely. Light.
It takes up the cut work really well.
Yes.
And it has only the finishes of wooden grates or
Wood
any
and
color.
flat colors as well.
Matte.
Two matte flat colors right now. We'll be launching 4 more in the next 2 months.
Okay, and what is exactly the panel size and the pricing?
The panel size is between 10 feet by 1 feet and 13.34 feet by 1 feet. The average pricing is going to be 165 rupees per square feet for soffit panels.
Okay, interesting. So, and what are these channels? These are the frameworks?
These are the profiles which we use. So if you see the wooden ones and above, you'll see the profiles match the exact tonality of the soffit panels. So once installed, it is going to look like wood without the downsides. No termite required, no after polishing. It's a fit and forget product.
Okay, so that means the trims are also available. with
Yes,
the whole
with similar
system.
tones. Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, so and if at all we require to make it to work over the wall like this way,
Yes,
we can
absolutely.
definitely-
Horizontally or vertically.
And what about the skirting then?
Skirting, you can easily find WPC, SPC with the similar wooden tones.
Okay. And then we can mix and
Or
match.
HPLE.
Perfect. It's very interesting to see. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Do tag us, so we'll repost it on our.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सो वी आर एट वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्टोन्स। यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारी वॉल के जो फिनिशेस होते हैं उससे आज रूबरू कराते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे फिनिशेस हमने देखे हैं, बट जो वर्क हमने वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्टोन के स्टॉल पर देखा, दैट्स समथिंग रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, बिकॉज कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मॉडर्न डिज़ाइन में फोकल पॉइंट्स के बारे में बात करती है। एंड आई थिंक इफ़ एट ऑल वी वांट कि कुछ स्टोन में एक ओरिजिनल सा डिज़ाइन पीस वर्क होगा तो वो हम इस स्टॉल पर देख सकते हैं। आई थिंक वी आर गुड टू एक्सप्लोर दिस होल स्टॉल। कम Okay, we have come to see the collection, which is looking very, very interesting. Each panel is actually telling us a story. Can we start with this wall panel?
Yeah, this is artwork what we have done on sandstone. This is Indian sandstone.
Oh wow, this is totally Indian as a product. And this work is what this work is all about?
This is all machine work. This is done by CNC machine. There is a machine called CNC. उससे बना हुआ है.
And these are the fixed sizes of the panels?
These are all customized work. Like this design is accordingly designed for this particular day. If you have a larger wall, we can design it for a larger wall. If you have a smaller space, every design here is all customized.
Wonderful, wonderful. And exactly, if we talk about this size, what is the range per square feet?
Like the price of this work is around 4,000 rupees per square feet.
Wonderful.
This is the retail price, and the discount vary according to the wall size. And जितना quantity होगा जो base price होगा होगा.
Wonderful. I'm quite glad to see the intricacies of the veins in the work.
This kind of work is done on a 40 mm thick stone.
Oh.
There are designs what we have developed on a 60 mm thick stones as well. There are designs what we have done on 30 mm thick stones as well.
And how do we apply it over the wall? Because this actually looks like a very
Yeah.
heavy panel.
Yeah, this is done by adhesives. There are adhesives like we use. There's a company called Caracol. We use their products.
Terracotta.
Caracol.
Terracotta.
So there is a product named H40 of this company. So we use those kind of products to paste this stone. We need a plastered wall. The wall should be plastered. There should be no paint, nothing on the wall. So we need a raw plastered surface and use filament.
So can we actually do this kind of an work on the exteriors which has a height and it has its own weight?
Actually, talking about exteriors, if you are applying a stone above 20-25 feet, so it's suggestible you use drag cladding. You use clamps. Clamps are like this is a thick stone, so you easily clamp it. That's not an issue.
Perfect, perfect. इसमें डिजाइन कस्टमाइजेशन हो सकता है किसी भी तरीके का.
This is one on the same stone. This is one design. There is one more 3D work on the front wall if you have seen while you are.
इसकी कुछ clear और maintenance tips भी हैं?
It is a
For external work. Perfect, perfect. What about this one? This is very, very delicate in terms of its work.
Yeah, this is another range what we have. This is leafing work. This is champagne leafing, and then the stone on which we do is this is Italian marble. So this kind of work is only possible on marbles.
This is called the champagne work.
Yeah, this is leafing work.
Leafing work.
This is done by, and there are 3 kinds of leafing what we have. We do gold leafing. This is champagne color. Gold leafing is on your back, and there is another color in it. You can do silver leafing in it as well.
And this one is on a Italian marble.
Yeah.
इस पैनल का क्या size और क्या range रहता है?
This panel is around 7 feet by 4 feet, and this work is 4,500 rupees per square feet.
And where exactly people ask for these kind of work? Because
Like this particular work is good for an area like we have put Ganesh in there, so it's a good area for a mandir back wall. You can even customize. You can do mantras in it. You can give your own design. That can. It is very good for a lobby wall as you enter. If you are planning to put a statue or something like that, so good for that kind of a feature.
wonderful. And you know whether this design is also customizable?
Yeah.
Any motif we can take
Yeah,
it can go.
designs are all customized. We are open to more customization. We want our clients to give us new designs so that we can develop new designs.
Very nice, very intricate, must say. This looks very interesting. I am really liking this whole inlay over the marble, and this is very interesting to see that this is an inlay. This is a metal which has been inlaid in the stones, which is a Vietnamese white stone, and you can see mother of pearl happening out here. It is a nice centerpiece, and here you have certain MOP's work. Here also you have a very nice floral pattern. All of these patterns are actually having inlays of either MOP or of metal. Here also, but the good thing about it is that you've never seen metal artwork inside the stone. So Mohit ji, tell us more exactly what is this concept?
This is the range what we have come up with this year. So this is all inlay work. You can either go for metal inlay, you can either go for a marble inlay. Like this is all marble with marble inlay. There is no metal work in it. And the same design you can do with metal as well. So it is all inlay work. The base stone is basically all Italian marble. This is Vietnamite. Somewhere we have used Thasus white. So this is all inlay. Then this is again another concept.
So we can use them as a centerpiece into the flooring on
flooring
the
walls, both you can use.
both of it, and then we can actually customize it to this level. This is the intricacy of the work.
Every detail, like this is all more intricate design what we have.
What exactly, if all we talk about the costing, क्या रहता है इसका range?
इसका सब कुछ अलग अलग है. It depends आप कौन से मार्बल पे कर रहे हो. Like this, if same design if you do on a Vietnam white and you don't use this stone, so it would be around 2,000, 2,500. But with this stone, it is 4,000 rupees because this is very expensive. ये lapis करके आता है. Very
Lapis lazuli.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it's very expensive.
It's very expensive.
हाँ, तो इस वजह, and now talking about this is around somewhere around 3,000, 4,000 rupees. This is 12,000 rupees per square feet.
ये आपका लग्जरी कलेक्शन सेगमेंट
ये
में
सारा,
आता है.
हाँ.
तो
मतलब-
जनरली हम जो आपके हवेलीज और पैलेस फोर्ट्स या होटल्स देखते हैं उसके लिए ये 5 स्टार कलेक्शन है आपका.
हाँ, this is all luxury work. जैसे ये मंदिर के लिए बहुत perfect design.
Very nice.
Very good design for a मंदिर.
Must say. And what about this? This is very very interesting, like a painting.
Again, it is all. This is backlit basically. We don't here we didn't backlit it. It is a mixture of onyx. तो जहाँ जहाँ onyx हो वो backlit होगा. Different kind of marble, lapis भी use किया हुआ है. तो अलग अलग तरह के.
No, but then we can say it as a wall panel, or it is a part of the flooring, or only wall panel. But this is like a part mixture of many stones, and it's a mosaic work.
Yeah, it is not a mosaic work. Again, artwork. It's
It's
kind
an
of.
artwork, so we can always say कि भाई इसमें customization रहता है.
हाँ हो जाएगा ना. जैसे सेम ये डिजाइन है, सेम कंसेप्ट पे. Now this is backlit. जैसे ये this is onyx, so it is backlit. You can just see here.
Wow.
ये अभी ये ऐसा एरिया के लिए चाहिए यूनिट सराउंडिंग लाइट कम होनी चाहिए.
Exactly, because
ये
then the
जितना-
whole impact of the art comes from the back.
बिकॉज ये जो पीछे से लाइट थ्रू कर रहे हो ऊपर वाली लाइट इसको ब्लॉक कर रही है.
Okay, ये दोनों जो आपके पीसेस ऑफ वॉल हैं, इसमें क्या रेंज रहता है मिनिमम से मैक्सिमम?
इसमें कोई पर स्क्वायर फीट प्राइस रेंज है. लाइक दिस पैनल इज अभी 5 फीट बाय 7 फीट. सो दिस इज अराउंड 5.5 लाख, 5.5 लाख रुपए का ये पूरा पीस है. तो कोई वो नहीं है. ये 3 बाय 4 का पैनल है, इसकी प्राइस 2 लाख रुपए है.
But this is one of the products.
एक्चुअली क्या है ना, जितना इंट्रिकेट सेम चीज में आप कोई ऐसा डिजाइन दो जिसमें वर्क कम है तो उसका
But हम इसको अप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? जैसे अगर हम इस
अगेन केमिकल से
नहीं तो इसके पीछे जो फिर वो बैकलाइट इम्पैक्ट
बैकलाइट करने के लिए आपको वुडन फ्रेम का बॉक्स बनाना पड़ेगा. जैसे
बनाना
इसके
पड़ेगा.
पीछे बॉक्स बना हुआ है
Exactly.
और फिर उसमें एलईडी नॉर्मल लाइट से नहीं होगा.
स्ट्रिप लाइट करना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
एलईडी अच्छी क्वालिटी वाली एलईडी जो अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है वो यूज करना है.
Perfect. It's very very delicate also. Very interesting.
सब आर्ट वर्क है, सारा हमारे का काम है.
Very nice. So we can move ahead to this segment.
This is CNC work what we do again. Indian sandstone. Again 40 mm thick stone पे काम हुआ है.
And if we need to actually make it up with the water curtains, can we use it as a back of a water curtain or cascade?
Yeah.
कर सकते हैं. और इसका भी पैनल का साइज डिपेंड ऑन द
Again
वर्क.
customized.
Customized.
Maximum size you will get is 4 feet by 2.5 feet, 3 feet तक. तो जो भी वॉल साइज होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग बिल्कुल नंबर ऑफ पीसेस उसको बनाएंगे.
भी जनरली आप जैसे लॉबी में लैंडस्केपिंग कर रहे हैं या फिर वाटर वर्क करना चाह रहे हैं तो उसका बैकलाइट अगर ये करना चाहे तो कर
कर
सकते हैं. इस पे भी बस आपने बताया कि एक सीलर लगाना है.
सीलर इज नेसेसरी बिकॉज पूरा
ये
इंडियन मार्बल पे है.
दिस इज इंडियन वाइट मार्बल.
वाइट मार्बल.
Very interesting. You know the waves are coming out really well as if
एंड इट इज नॉट अ रेपिटेटिव पैटर्न. आप देखोगे जैसे जनरली सीएनसी के क्या होता है ना, वो सेम चीज रिपीट होती है.
Yes.
अगेन इट इज आर्ट वर्क, वॉल के अकॉर्डिंग डिजाइन होगा. तो ये इस तरह की कस्टमाइजेशन भी प्रेफर.
if we talk about all these work arts, if this is just a giant work of art, we certainly have to make sure that इतना बड़ा आर्ट वर्क एक बहुत अच्छी वॉल पे एक बहुत अच्छी वॉल के लिए यूज़ हो. मगर ये छोटे डिज़ाइन या छोटे स्पेसेस के लिए बहुत अच्छा प्रपोजल नहीं रहता है. लुक एट द होल डिटेल, ऑल द पैनल्स हैज़ अ कंटिन्यूएशन एंड इट लुक्स ग्रैंड विद द स्पेस दैट इट हैज़. ऑल्सो इसमें जो अडेशन है उसकी वजह से इसका जो इम्पैक्ट है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है. बट ये इंटीरियर आइटम्स हैं. दिस इज ओनली इंटीरियर आइटम्स. वही जी, ये इंटीरियर आइटम्स ही है ना.
या मार्बल इज इंटीरियर, आउटडोर नहीं. सेम डिजाइन यू वांट इन आउटडोर आई डू ऑन सैंडस्टोन.
सैंडस्टोन.
अगर आपको
ये
ये
हमारा है.
हाँ फिर उसमें बन जाएगा सेम डिजाइन.
Perfect. And ये आपका कौन सा स्टोन है?
दिस इज बसाल्ट स्टोन.
बसाल्ट.
Yeah, this is again CNC work. Again for outdoor indoors.
ये तो फिर एक्सटीरियर के लिए भी ठीक
एक्सटीरियर
रहेगा।
अभी मैंने सेम यही चीज़ बॉलियर मिंट में आई हैव डन फॉर माई साइड, उसमें पूरा एलिवेशन में देयर वाज अ हाइलाइटर वो एल शेप और उसमें ये चीज़ है।
ओके सो वी ये सीएनसी में नहीं है, ये भी
CNC
ये सारा सीएनसी में ही रहता है। दिल्ली में कोई प्रोजेक्ट है जो हम रेफर कर सकते हैं? अभी देखिए अगर ये एप्लीकेशन में भी है,
अगर जैसे कोई ग्राउंड प्रोजेक्ट आपने देखना हो तो ताज दमदमा,
दमदमा लेक के पास
हाँ,
जो
जो
है।
ताज दमदमा है उसका पूरा एलिवेशन मैंने किया है। उसके वॉशरूम्स में सैंडस्टोन बीइंग अ पोरस स्टोन वी डोंट सजेस्ट कि ऐसे वॉशरूम लगाइए, दे हैव यूज्ड इन देयर वॉशरूम। सारे वॉशरूम में ग्रे सैंडस्टोन लगाया हुआ है। दिस इज वी हैव वर्क विद आरबीआई का कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है तो उनका भी कॉन्फ्रेंस वो सारा हमने करके किया बैक
इन द स्टोन वर्क।
इन द स्टोन गोल्ड लीफिंग का पैनल किया हुआ है। वी हैव डन ये साकेत कोर्ट में आर्किटेक्ट डिज़ाइन फोरम इंटरनेशनल वाले थे तो उनके साथ मैंने उनका काम किया।
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। सो आई थिंक मेजरली आपका जो यूएसपी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा सीएनसी में हैंडकर्व्ड चिजल्ड स्टोन्स में है।
यहाँ पे ना देयर आर ऑल वॉल्स व्हाट वी हैव डिस्प्लेड। वंस यू विजिट आवर स्टोर वी आर मोर इनटू फ्लोरिंग्स एज वेल। मैं मतलब महीने की ज़्यादा नहीं बोल रहा तो 10-12-15 हज़ार स्क्वायर फीट तो फ्लोरिंग्स भी करता हूँ,
Wonderful.
लाइक टेरेसेस फॉर द ड्राइवेज।
एंड वेयर आर यू लोकेटेड इन दिल्ली?
GK2 M Block मार्केट।
GK2M ब्लॉक है। सो गाइज दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी कि फिनिशेस तो हम हमेशा देखते हैं और टाइल्स में भी चीज़ें और पैटर्न्स आ रहे हैं, बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द रियल स्टोन एंड द वर्क दैट रियल स्टोन्स ऑफर, उसमें जो टेक्सचर ऐड होता है वो कंपैरिजन है ही नहीं। सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन ऑलवेज विजिट वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्टोन्स GK M Block 2 मार्केट। थैंक यू। Okay, so we are here at Aztec and I'm at the Amulya Mica stall and I'm thrilled to see the colors this year and the varieties that they're offering. Not only that they're talking about the daily products of plywood and block board, we are talking about the new line of boards they have, which is about the PVC and the WPC and how they are actually working out with all the carpentry solutions that we can actually ask for it. We have color ranges also, we have doors and windows also, we have shutters also, chocolate also, and also the kind of CNC work that that PVC panel can actually give you the variety in. So let's see and find out more about it. Sir, tell us, very interesting installation. So what exactly this is all about?
Hi,
Hi.
hello and welcome. So my name is Saurabh Pandey and what you are witnessing for the first time, this product is a PVC laminate.
Wonderful.
It is a PVC based product and it comes in 1.25 mm thickness. The benefit is that if you use it for your furniture, you don't need to use any edge bend. So you can bend it at 90 degrees.
I'm quite surprised to see the curvature. Is this applicable on the curves or on the round pillars also?
You can use on any type of curve,
Wonderful.
including whatever you are seeing. Total 360 degree application is also possible.
Wonderful.
But then again, it depends upon the substrate.
Okay.
Whether your substrate is bended at 360 degrees or not.
Okay. Okay.
But the basic concept in our industry is of eliminating the use of edge bend.
Edge bends, so that if the edges gets little softer, because वो सबसे ज़्यादा dangerous corner बनाता
No
है.
blackish edge lines are seen.
Yes, exactly, true. And also जैसे colors are very fluorescent out here, so it is only meant for the kids' room application or it is applicable in kitchens as well.
It is
mainly for kitchen. Mainly for kitchen.
kitchens for kids room
Okay.
and also as highlighters in your bedroom.
Okay, interesting, interesting. So if we talk about the general laminate, the sun mica and the PVC laminate, how it is different from each other?
The general mica and the PVC laminate, the basic difference is of the bendability itself.
Okay, okay,
Secondly, the general mica, it comes mostly in 1 mm.
okay.
In our case, it is available 1.25, that's another case. But mostly it comes in 1 mm. While in case of PVC, the benchmark starts at 1.25 itself.
Wonderful, wonderful. What is the size, the sheet size and the...
It comes in 8 by 4, 4 feet by 8 feet.
Okay.
And one more interesting aspect is that in all of the wet areas, like if you are making any bathroom vanities, you will think twice before using any paper-based laminate.
True.
Fine, but PVC laminate you can use and you can get a life of 10 years or more.
Wonderful. And because there is no joint opening, so
Yeah.
it actually adds to the base of the vanity also.
Yes, yes.
Very interesting. And what is exactly the price range? क्या price range?
Price range depends. There are various categories in it. So it starts from roughly 2,000 to 6,000
as a sheet size?
for a sheet.
Wonderful, wonderful. And it's all available in high gloss. इसमें finishes भी हैं.
इसमें फिनिशेस भी हैं.
Okay.
There is high gloss, there is matte, there is texture.
Wonderful, wonderful. So we can see this wall also has some really interesting color combinations.
This wall basically this basically is not the PVC, it's a normal laminate, a paper-based laminate.
Okay.
These
So
are
it
the
has
paper-based laminate.
different finishes also.
Yes, it's different finishes, different colors. These are all part of our folder.
Very interesting. So it has some really interesting neutral colors also, fluorescent colors. We can combine it for the
Neutral, you have earthy colors.
earthy also. So all these colors can be combined in different rooms of yours, in schools also, in institutions also. And this is the range that they have, more that they have in the catalog. Sir, I really like to know about this whole setup. What is this exactly?
This basically is an application of the PVC board.
Okay.
We have used a hot
Hot
blower
gun.
gun and it is a single sheet. We have used the hot gun here and bended it at almost 90 degrees.
Very nice. So it's very
hardware,
safe
no hardware used, nothing used.
and it is joint free.
Joint free, hardware free.
Wonderful. So you can see friends that if you to see the 90-degree angle is missing, so kids room के लिए बहुत ही safe है और एक single sheet में से बनाया गया है तो ये edges बहुत ही ज़्यादा softer हो गए, कोई hard edges नहीं है. इस particular sheet में एक बहुत ही अच्छा aspect है जो हमारे को plywood में या blockwood में आसान नहीं लगता करना. Also ये हम laminate भी कर सकते हैं, ये हम paint भी कर सकते हैं, इसकी हम cutting भी कर
On the
सकते
same
हैं.
substrate, you can use our PVC laminate.
Oh, wonderful.
they are
So
already
इसमें हम
bendable.
bendable colors भी कर सकते हैं. That's also very interesting.
Yeah.
And what is the price range, sir? इसका?
It depends, like this is the board, you know, it is made out of board, 18 mm board. So 18 mm board roughly it costs around 170 rupees per square feet.
Per square feet. Okay, very interesting. And what about this rocker?
This is another application without any hardware. All you have to do is you have to make 3 to 4 pieces
Okay.
and there are grooves fitted in the groove and
And it is
if you want to
interlocked.
use
Okay.
with along with the interlocking you can also use some of the adhesives like a cement solvent
Okay.
to give it some extra protection.
Wonderful. So it is actually very safe for the child because then the joinery or the screw or nail is not coming in contact
yes,
with them.
yes, yes.
Very
And
nice.
it is highly ergonomically designed.
Ergonomically designed. Wonderful. Very interesting. So friends, you can always see that PVC board and PVC laminates are really in, and more variety we are looking out here is about your chocolate and the shutter.
The WPC door frames.
WPC. Okay, what is WPC, sir?
WPC is wood polymer composite. Polymer basically is PVC. So it's basically a mixture of PVC and wood particles. Here we have used this particular combination for making the door frame. This particular door frame is of 100 by 60 mm.
Single shutter.
The door frame. The door frame. 100 mm by 60 mm. So this is 100 and this is 60, this is 32, this is 12 mm. And which is commonly called as चार ढाई.
Chart height.
जो कि एक ट्रेड लैंग्वेज में चार ढाई का फ्रेम कहलाता है, ये वो फ्रेम है.
Perfect. So if at all I ask you कि that teak wood का हमारा जो फ्रेम बनता है और जो हम WPC का लगवाएं अब, तो इसमें इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कैसे ये बेटर है, सुपीरियर?
See, teak wood is no doubt very good wood, but any wood-based product can never give you 100% protection against termite and moisture.
Which is in the air of
At
the
the back
season
of your mind,
sometimes.
at the back of your mind, one thought always be there. Oh, what happens when someday termite attacks?
True.
Termite can attack any type of wood.
True.
Because it loves wood.
Yes.
This gives you 100% protection, and that protection is for lifelong
Oh.
against termite and against water.
And also if we talk about कि wood का जो एक typical trait है कि वो swell होती है, वो expansion भी इसमें नहीं होगा?
No swelling.
No swellings.
Moreover, you can use for exterior as well.
Oh, that's interesting. So if at all we talk about
No
this,
effect of sunlight.
no effect. So exterior में भी balconies में
Exterior
भी
में
it
आप लगा
goes
सकते
really well. And what is exactly the finish of it? जैसे अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं WPC की, it is coming with already a laminate or foil or paint. What it is exactly?
See, this board, it is basically composed of PVC and pine wood sawdust.
Yes.
And it is the color of the pine wood which is reflecting in this board.
Yes. So this is the natural
This is the
color
natural,
of the
natural
WPC.
color. And now the question is, if wood is so harmful, if wood develops, moisture related or termite related problems, then why have you used it?
Yes.
The sawdust.
our purpose is to increase the screwability, to increase the screw holding capacity.
Yes,
But
exactly.
ultimately, all these hinges, they have to be with you for at least 10 to 15 years.
Yes.
They should not be loosened for at least 10 to 15 years.
So they require a binder to
They-
hold them.
So to increase the screw holding capacity,
That is
what
why
we have
the
done is we
sawdust-
have added some sawdust.
Perfect, and that is of the pine.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so what is the size and what is the price range of such doors?
It comes in various thicknesses from 22 mm, 22 mm, 25 mm, 28 mm, 30 mm, 35 mm, 40 mm.
Okay, so it is a single shutter thickness that you're talking about.
Yeah, the thickness of the shutter, and as far as dimensions are concerned, it comes in traditional dimensions, 6.5.
4.5 या 6.5 में.
हाँ नहीं, as far as length is concerned, 6.5 पौने 7 feet, and as far as this width is concerned, 2.5 पौने 3 and 3 feet.
3 फीट. Okay, and क्या प्राइस रेंज क्या रहता है?
Price range normally somewhere around 300 rupees per square feet.
With installation
The board, the finished door, the door.
only. The installation is not.
Installation basically it depends upon person to person.
Okay.
You know-
So we can get it done. मतलब इसके लिए expert installer
इसके लिए
भी
कुछ
चाहिए.
कुछ नहीं कुछ भी
Fixing
नहीं
cost नहीं चाहिए.
चाहिए, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. हिंजेस भी जो है नॉर्मल हिंजेस हैं ये.
Perfect. But hinges are normal. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you guys see that they have a chocket for various shutters, so they have double pallas also here, and this is also different size of the chocket. So it has a bigger rebate out here, and the frame is actually supporting interior and exterior because it is not getting faded in the sun. So I think this is very interesting, and I really like the way this particular product is also being displayed. जहाँ पे if you see the PVC
In this display, what we have shown is, we have shown that you can screw it, you can nail it, you can use the L hinges.
over the panels, PVC boards.
Yeah, what we have shown is you can laminate it. You can laminate it with PVC laminate. These are all the applications which are shown in this robotic. We call it as the robotic arm.
Of your
Yeah,
company.
yeah.
Very interesting. So guys, look at this whole thing out that generally if we talk about plywood and blockboard, so we generally always see कि कहीं ना कहीं joints बड़े fixed है, कहीं ना कहीं उसका जो एक availability है वो बहुत ज़्यादा wood is a very extinct resource. तो कहीं हम अगर उसको replace करें और अपने products के अंदर अपने projects के अंदर इस particular board को utilize करें, then we're certainly going little green. Okay, so saving it that way is also very crucial. सर इसमें इसका रेंज क्या रहता है अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं तो पीवीसी के जो लैमिनेटेड बोर्ड्स की है?
हम बेसिकली लेमिनेट देते हैं, नॉट द लेमिनेटेड बोर्ड.
ओके, सो ये एग्जीक्यूशन हमारे को करवाना होता है.
वो एग्जीक्यूशन क्योंकि आपके जो पैनल साइजेज हैं वो क्या होंगे ये हमें नहीं पता होते हैं.
अच्छा, ओके
है ना?
ओके. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रीटमेंट जिसमें आपको पीवीसी के ऊपर बेंडेबल लैमिनेट मिलेगा, दैट इज टू बी रिक्वायर्ड टू बी डन ऑन द
हाँ,
साइड.
ये जो PVC laminates है, these comes in various finishes, and according to the finishes, the price varies from 2,000 for a sheet to the upper limit of 6,000 for whole
ओके,
sheet.
सो इट इज द मिनिमम जो 2000 वाला शीट है 8x4
From
का.
2,000 to 6,000.
Perfect. So we are looking at the other products of yours.
Yeah.
What is this table? Very interesting design work.
This is our new launch, the Spectrum panel.
Spectrum panel, okay.
The Spectrum panel is what we have done is that we have sandwiched the sheets of various colors,
Okay.
and we are providing basically the sheets
Okay.
through CNC routing. You can develop these type of patterns,
Oh my god.
and it's giving you a look of almost sort of Korean work.
Exactly. True. It's very smooth to touch.
Very smooth, and you can see those designs also. These are also examples of Spectrum.
Wonderful. So ये जो एप्लीकेशन है ये तो आपने टेबल पे कर रखा है, बट हम इसको वॉल पर या हम किसी तरीके के डिवाइडर या
हमने
पार्टीशन
इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट का एक एप्लीकेशन दिखाया है.
यहाँ वॉल पे भी लगा हुआ है.
You can use it as highlighter also.
यस ट्रू. सो अगर हम इसको पैनल्स में देखना चाहें तो क्या साइज आएगा?
We provide again the same 8x4 sheet and 12 mm.
So and how the application is done with screws or with adhesives?
Application is to be done with either the screws or such type of the studs.
Studs only.
डी-पिचिंग करके
So we can cut them into the canvas size also, and we can make it look like an art
In canvas size, it has to be used as a highlighter. In sheet size, you can use it in various forms, like the whole table has been made from that only.
Very interesting, very interesting. What is the price range of this Spectrum panel?
Price range like this whole 8x4 sheet, it comes roughly around 12,000 rupees.
12,000 rupees.
For the
And
whole
the
sheet.
CNC routing work is
That is
add-on
separate.
That's an add-on cost. But the kind of a dimension it is giving, it is coming out as a very nice 3D illusion.
3D illusion is a very unique type of thing.
Very unique, like a carpet on the table. And what about this whole thing? ये सर ये लेमिनेट आपका नया है. Thank you.
Please.
Guys, you Google. Acha, yes, this is a new catalog
This
you
is a
have.
new category. This is again the same.
Okay. What is this?
This is the PVC laminate,
Okay.
which is anti-scratch, but non-bendable.
Okay.
You can't bend it, but
this is PVC only.
It is glossy and it is
Anti-scratch.
anti-scratch.
So we can use it on the work counters
You
where
can
we
use for work counter, you can or obviously for any type of setup.
Okay, great, great.
Presently we have these designs.
And we can mix and match with the
You
concepts.
can mix and match. Moreover, if you have got any particular design, like this particular design, and you want 5 sheets out of it,
Okay, the same motif.
we can provide. We can
Oh,
provide.
wow. So customizable concepts भी हैं.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is the same thing. 1.25 mm का ही है.
1.25 है.
Same sheet size.
1.25 है, glossy है और एंटी स्क्रैच है.
Wonderful. And इसका प्राइस रेंज क्या रहता है?
इसका प्राइस रेंज फॉर द 8x4 शीट, द होल शीट कम्स फॉर 5,000.
Amazing. Okay, so it is actually better than waiting for the stone
Yes,
counter
yes, yes,
because
yes.
stones हम generally इसलिए लगाते हैं कि भाई वहाँ पर sketches ना दिखे. But ये अच्छा एक
You can use for your wardrobes and kitchens also.
Yes, true. Because generally लोग सिर्फ लेमिनेट्स के साथ यही रिजर्वेशन रहता है कि वो स्क्रैच हो जाता है over the time, and that's why we switch to glass or to the stone counters. Very interesting, sir. Do you have anything more to just show us around?
We have very interesting folder called the Imperial Laminate.
There?
Yeah, please.
Wonderful. We'll take a look. Let's see.
This folder is known as the Imperial Collection.
Okay.
It is all composed of 1.25 mm paper-based laminate.
Okay. Okay. This is not PVC.
This is not PVC. This is paper-based laminate, but very, very special and very different.